Hey guys, in this question I'm gonna show you how to figure out what the coordinates are of point D on this line right here. Now in order to do that, remember these are perpendicular lines. So the first thing you're gonna have to do as always is find your slope. Now you can't find the slope of this line yet, so you're gonna have to use the two coordinates on this line over here in order to solve your slope. Now because this one's on the y-axis, it's going to be 0 and -8. And this is my x1 and y1, and over here you're going to be 24 and 0, so this is my x2 and y2. So now I'm going to plug everything in. To find the slope, it's y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So my y2 is 0 minus -8, and my x2 is 24 minus 0. So 0 minus -8 is 8, and 24 minus 0 is 24. So I've now found my slope for this line here. Now remember, because it's a perpendicular, we didn't find our slope yet, hold on. 8 divided by 24 is equal to 0.3. Now we found our slope. Now that we found our slope, remember, because it's perpendicular, we have to do our negative reciprocal, which means we have to do the flip. So remember what I told you, whenever you get a slope from your first line, you always put it over 1. Then you have to flip them, 1 over 0.3, and then you always have to make the 1 negative. So now you're going to find the new slope for the new line. 1 divided by 0.333333 is equal to -3. So now we have our A for this line over here. Okay? So moving on next, we're going to have to find our y-intercept. I'm going to show you again. You're going to have to use the coordinates on the second line. So remember, x is going to be 0 and y is going to be 27. So now what we're going to do is use our y equals ax plus b. Sorry, I want to try and get my calculator on there. Alright, so our y is equal to 27, our a is equal to -3, our x is equal to 0, and our b stays as b. So 0 times -3 is 0, and 27 minus 0, because you're going to do that there, so minus 0 is going to leave you with 27 is equal to b. Now I know you could have used it right there, but just in case it's not given to you, I want to show you the steps that you have to take to find it. Okay? So once you found this, you've had your A, you have your B. Now you need to use that point D. Now remember, it is a x-intercept, so you don't know what x is, but you know that y is 0. So now we're going to solve that down here. Y is equal to ax plus b. So our y is 0, our a is -3, our x is unknown, and our b is 27. So now we do minus 27 to cancel those out. Minus 27 is -3x, and we divide our -3, 27 divided by 3, -27 divided by -3 is equal to 9. So we now know our coordinates are 9 and 0. Hope it helped. Oops, sorry, I didn't show you the bottom of the worksheet where I was doing all the work. So you see, I did the minus 27 to cancel it out, then I did minus 27 divided by 3, so we had a -3x. That left me with 9 and 0.